Friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video Notes music not working or not showing problem in Instagram. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all check your Instagram up to date or not. For that you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search your Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update from it. After updating Instagram, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, search here Instagram, press on force stop, press on force stop. Here enable all permissions, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, storage. You should enable all permission, then go back, open data usage. Here also enable all options, mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data, roaming data. You should enable all these options, then go back, then open your storage. Press on clear cache. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, open your Instagram. Press on 3 horizontal line, top right side corner. Press on setting and privacy. Then select your help. Then press on report a problem. Press on again report a problem. Select here include and continue. Then type here some of the matter, what your actual problem. Then press on send. Then wait for feedback. Still your problem not solved, then uninstall and reinstall your Instagram. Hope your problem will be solved. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.